The College of Engineering Preceptor Program creates a unique experience for undergraduate students. The Preceptor Program allows for faculty members to hire undergraduate students as preceptors, who in turn help to support faculty in providing the best possible pedagogical environment within their respective courses. Unlike graduate teaching assistants, who focus mainly on grading assignments, preceptors play more of a leadership development position where the teacher coaches them on facilitating hands-on activities. Preceptors are responsible for leading online discussions out of class and being a liaison for the students to learn more about their chosen field of study.
Some of my highlights of working with Systems Engineering 1202 is, now that I'm a junior and I've been through the program for, like 3/4 of the program, I know a lot now that I wish I would have known as a freshman. And being able to have an open dialogue with so many freshmen or people who are just getting into the program, I think really benefits them, but it also benefits me. Whenever we do hands-on activities, we're always walking around the classroom, and being able to have an open dialogue with students is great because no two people learn the exact same way. So hearing from 3 different perspectives, from a student perspective and then from a teacher perspective, it might click differently for someone. So to see people understand what they're doing and really get it is awesome, because you feel like you're growing as a person because I'm able to teach these people and they're able to understand it. Makes me feel great.
The students can also benefit from the preceptors because the preceptors can draw the real-world connections to the class.
In Systems Engineering 1202, my contribution has been primarily to draw the real-world connections to the class. So when the students ask the question of, when will I ever use this? Being able to answer that with my own internship experience as well as an entrepreneurial experience with my family's business, I've been able to draw those connections for them and inspire them to begin to draw those connections themselves. We've also been able to work with the professor as well as the other preceptor in order to improve the class, improve the course material, the projects, the syllabus, and pretty much the entire experience to make it more fundamentally educational and fun for the students. Another one of the things that we've been able to do is encourage outside involvement. So when they're going to class, being able to encourage them to take that next step outside of the class and get to know their peers, begin to develop their network, start to develop professionally, and been able to grow them not only as students, but as friends and as colleagues.
The student feedback on having preceptors in their classes has been very positive.
The feedback that I got from students in 1202 about preceptors actually came in the form of a survey that we delivered to them at the end of last semester. And 73% of all the students said they were very likely to recommend having a preceptor in another freshman course. Another 27% of the students said they were likely to recommend a preceptor to other courses. So overall, the feedback was great on the survey. They also gave us some verbatim comments that said they loved that the preceptors had office hours where they can come to them as a peer with any issues they had about the course or the material, rather than feeling intimidated to go to an instructor.
For more information, visit Prospect for Success, prospect.uncc.edu.